In today's video, we're exploring the different types of cooking oils. Each oil has its own unique benefits, uses, and potential downsides. Whether you're frying, baking, or making a salad dressing, the right oil can enhance flavor and impact your health. Let's take a closer look at the most common cooking oils, how to use them, and what you need to know about their benefits and potential risks. Hi, I'm your host Mr. Curious, and welcome to my channel. Cooking oils are essential in the kitchen, but not all oils are created equal. The type of fat an oil contains plays a huge role in its health benefits and how it should be used in cooking. Fats in cooking oils can be divided into three main categories: unsaturated fats, saturated fats, and trans fats. Each type has unique characteristics and effects on our health. Let's start with the good guys, unsaturated fats. These are the fats you'll find in oils like canola oil, sunflower oil, and avocado oil. Unsaturated fats are usually liquid at room temperature and are known for their heart-healthy benefits. Unsaturated fats can be further divided into monounsaturated fats and polyunsaturated fats. Monounsaturated fats, found in oils like canola and avocado oil, are known to reduce bad cholesterol levels. Polyunsaturated fats, found in oils like sunflower and soybean oil, provide essential fatty acids like omega-3 and omega-6, which are important for brain and heart health. Next up, we have saturated fats. These fats are typically solid at room temperature and are found in oils like palm oil and even in butter. Saturated fats have been controversial due to their association with higher cholesterol levels and increased risk of heart disease. However, recent studies suggest that not all saturated fats are created equal, and some, like the medium-chain triglycerides in coconut oil, may have health benefits. Now, let's talk about the fats that everyone should avoid, trans fats. These are mostly found in partially hydrogenated oils, which are used in some margarines, shortening, and processed foods. But what exactly is hydrogenation? Let's break it down. Hydrogenation is a chemical process that transforms unsaturated fats into saturated fats by adding hydrogen atoms to their molecular structure. This process is used by food manufacturers to increase the shelf life of oils and improve the texture of certain foods. When oils undergo full hydrogenation, they become completely saturated fats, which are more stable and solid at room temperature. However, partial hydrogenation, which only adds hydrogen to some of the unsaturated fat molecules, creates trans fats. These are a type of unsaturated fat that is altered to behave like a saturated fat. Trans fats are particularly harmful because they not only raise your LDL cholesterol. LDL, or low-density lipoprotein, is often referred to as bad cholesterol because it makes up most of your body's cholesterol and can increase your risk for heart disease and stroke when levels are high. On the other hand, HDL, or high-density lipoprotein, is known as good cholesterol. It helps absorb cholesterol in the blood and carries it back to the liver, where it's flushed out of the body. Maintaining high levels of HDL cholesterol can lower your risk for heart disease and stroke. There are ways to boosting HDL levels include exercise, consuming olive oil and other healthy fats, and following a keto diet. The reason manufacturers use hydrogenation is to improve the texture and stability of products, making them more appealing and extending their shelf life. For example, hydrogenated oils can be used to create margarine or shortening, which are solid at room temperature and can be used in baking to create a desirable texture in pastries and other goods. But this convenience comes at a cost to health. The consumption of trans fats has been linked to a higher risk of heart disease, stroke, and even type 2 diabetes. Because of these significant health risks, many countries have banned or restricted the use of trans fats, and food manufacturers are moving away from using partially hydrogenated oils. As a consumer, it's important to be vigilant. Always check food labels, and if you see partially hydrogenated oil, it's best to avoid it. The fewer trans fats in your diet, the better. In response to the need for stable fats without the health risks associated with trans fats, some manufacturers have turned to a process called interesterification. This process rearranges the fatty acids within or between fat molecules to produce a more stable fat that remains solid at room temperature without creating harmful trans fats. Interesterified fats can mimic the functional properties of partially hydrogenated fats but are a safer alternative when it comes to health. So, what does this all mean for your cooking? The key is to choose oils with healthy fats and use them in the right way. For everyday cooking, opt for oils rich in unsaturated fats, like canola oil. These are great for sautéing, drizzling over salads, and even baking. For high-heat cooking, like frying, consider using oils with a higher smoke point, like avocado oil. And remember, moderation is key. Even healthy fats should be consumed in balance with a variety of other nutrients. That's it for today's deep dive into the world of cooking oils and fats. We hope you now have a better understanding of the types of fats in your oils and how the hydrogenation process affects them. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more. See you next time.